formulas, whatever the 6 formulas we studied. Okay, we'll revise them. We'll revise the 6 formulas of the Fourier series, and then start with few more examples on the Fourier series expansion. So let me start. Let me start the presentation. So we want to study the 6 formulas. Yes. Okay. So last time we started studying Fourier series expansion of even function with the arbitrary period. So suppose f of x is I am audible. Okay. Suppose f of x is a periodic function of period 2L defined in x between minus L to L. So midpoint of the interval is x equal to 0, and f of x is a even function. Then Fourier series expansion is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n cos of n pi x divided by L plus bn sin of n pi x divided by L, where a naught is equal to 1 upon L integration from minus L to L f of x dx. Since f of x is even function, therefore minus L to L will become 0 to L, and the answer will be 2 times. Same is for the n. F of x is even, cos x is even into even is even function. So 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x cos of n pi x divided by L dx. Whereas in case of Bn, f of x is even, sin is odd function. So even into odd is odd function, and integration of odd function is 0. Okay. Next, we studied a few examples. Then we studied the Fourier series expansion of odd function. In this case, f of x is a periodic function of period 2L defined in minus L to L, midpoint is x equal to 0, and f of x is odd function. Then a naught is 0 since f of x is odd function, n is 0 since f of x is odd, cos is even into odd is odd. Okay, whereas bn, f of x is odd, sin is odd into odd is even function, and therefore answer is non-zero. 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x sin of n pi x divided by L dx, and therefore the formulas are like this. These are the formulas corresponding to arbitrary period 2L. So general Fourier series expansion for the function f of x, which is defined from c to c plus 2L, with the period 2L is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation an cos of n pi x divided by L plus bn sin of n pi x divided by L, where a naught is equal to 1 upon L integration from c to c plus 2L f of x dx, n equal to 1 upon L integration from c to c plus 2L f of x cos of n pi x divided by L dx, bn equal to 1 upon L integration from c to c plus 2L f of x sin of n pi x divided by L dx. This is general Fourier series expansion. Next is Fourier series expansion of even function. So f of x is a function defined in minus L to L, period is 2L, and it is even function. Then f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n cos of n pi x divided by L, where a naught is equal to 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x dx. An equal to 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x cos of n pi x divided by L dx. Understand that in case of even and odd function, the coefficient of a naught and an are 2 by L, whereas in case of general Fourier series expansion, the coefficient is 1 upon L. Same is true for the odd function. F of x is odd function defined from minus L to N of the period 2L. Then f of x equal to summation n sin of n pi x divided by L, where bn is equal to 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x sin of n pi x L divided by dx. Then Fourier series expansion with the standard period 2 pi. So comparing 2L and 2 pi, we have L equal to pi. So in previous 3 formulas, everywhere we have to substitute L equal to pi. And therefore, the formulas are general Fourier series expansion. F of x is a periodic function of period 2 pi defined from c to c plus 2 pi. Okay, then f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n cos of nx plus bn sin of nx, where a naught is equal to 1 upon pi integration from c to c plus 2 pi f of x dx. An equal to 1 upon pi integration from c to c plus 2 pi f of x cos of nx dx. And bn equal to 1 upon pi c to c plus 2l, or 2 pi, sorry, f of x sin of nx dx. Okay. Even function, f of x is even function defined from minus pi to pi, and period is 2 pi. Then f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n cos of nx, where a naught is equal to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi f of x dx. whereas n equal to 2 by pi, integration from 0 to pi, f of x cos of nx. Okay. Then Fourier series expansion of odd function. F of x is an odd function defined from minus pi to plus pi. Understand that midpoint of interval is x equal to 0, period is 2 pi. Then f of x equal to summation of bn sin of nx, where bn equal to 2 by pi, integration from 0 to pi, f of x sin of nx dx. So we'll go through a few more examples of this type. So write down examples. Write today's date. Okay, so first example. Find Fourier series expansion of f of x given by at f of x equal to 1 plus x and 1 minus x. Hence, deduce that so only odd power terms 1 upon 5 square 1 upon 7 square equal to pi square by 8. Solution. Right, f of x equal to, right, given f of x equal to, right, f of x. Can anyone tell me what should be the first step? फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होनी चाहिए? अब इसके बाद क्या करना है? हमने f of x तो लिख दिया 1 plus x and 1 minus x. Can anyone tell me what should be the next step?
सर वो even है या odd है वो देखना.
Very good. Right on. Midpoint of interval is x equal to 0 na? Defined from minus 1 to 1. So right on. Midpoint of interval x equal to 0. So right on. Therefore f of minus x equal to replace x by minus x. Okay. Now see, inequality contain minus x. Okay. So first we'll simplify the function. Then multiply the inequality by minus 1. So 1 x 0. Right now compare it. Compare the f of minus x, this term, and original function f of x. Leave the middle term. Huh? Compare these two. So x between minus 1 to 0. Okay. X between minus 1 to 0. What is the value of function? F of x. Sorry, 1 plus x. Right. Then x between 0 to 1, this part. What is the value of function? 1 minus x. Same in this case also. Okay. So can I write f of x here? So what is the conclusion? F of x is an even function, isn't it? F of x is an even function. Okay, then period equal to 2L. And what is length of the interval where the function is defined? Function defined from -1 to 1. Na? See the example. F of x equal to 1 plus x and 1 minus x. So function defined between -1 to 1. So what is the length? 2. 2L equal to 2. So what the L is? 1. Okay, so checking whether function is even, odd, or neither even nor odd, and finding the correct value of L is very important. Right, so first two parts are important: deciding whether function is even or odd, 1, and if the function is with the arbitrary period, finding the value of L is important. Okay, so right now, thus Fourier series expansion of even function with arbitrary period 2L is arbitrary period 2L is, write the Fourier series expansion. So expansion is like this: f of x equal to even function. So a0 by 2 plus summation cos of substitute L. Cos of n by x. Equation number 1. Okay, I will write the formula of a0. Can I change the page?
Sir, hold. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Write on next page, a0 equal to write a0 even na, so 2 by L.
सर वो हुआ नहीं स्क्रीन
क्या?
पेज चेंज नहीं हुआ स्क्रीन.
अरे यार, okay, so a0 equal to 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x dx equal to, so L is known to us, 1, 0 to 1 f of x dx. बट f of x ऐसा है ना, -1 to 0. अच्छा, इसमें से कौन सा पार्ट लेना है? Whether we should take 1 plus x part, 1 plus x part or 1 minus x part. Simple है. See the interval. Interval क्या है?
1 minus x.
f of x between 0 to 1 है ना? So which part of function is between 0 to 1? 0 to 1, 1 minus x है. So we have to take 1 minus x. integrate. Upper limit, lower limit. Half and then multiplied by 2, so you'll get 1. Next. Write n. Cos of n pi x divided by L dx. Substitute L. Again, substitute the correct value of f of x. We know that f of x is 1 plus x and 1 minus x, but the interval is from 0 to 1. Use the formula. So by this formula, u as it is, integration of the v, integration of cos minus u dash, derivative of 1 minus x minus 1, integration of sine next derivative of 1 is 0. Limits. Simplify and then substitute the limits.
सर वो प्लस नहीं होगा क्या?
हाँ,
वो -1 इंटू माइनस साइन है तो वो प्लस कॉस n पाई x होगा ना?
3 टाइम्स है ना माइनस, यहाँ पे माइनस है, यहाँ पे माइनस है, यहाँ पे माइनस है. ठीक है, चलो अपर लिमिट पुट करते हैं. सब्स्टिट्यूट द अपर लिमिट. x इक्वल टू 1, 1 minus 1 0, फर्स्ट टर्म इज 0, minus cos of n pi divided by n square pi square minus lower limit x equal to 0, sin of 0 is 0, cos of 0 is 1. What is cos of n pi? Minus 1 raised to n. And this is the an. Understood? Any doubt on this page? Understood?
No,
how understood how to find a0 and n? Hope everyone is reading this.
yes.
Okay. Can I continue on next page?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So right. Substituting values in equation number 1. substituting so f of x equal to so a naught is 1, right? Already we obtained. An this is the Fourier series expansion. To deduce, second part is remaining. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. चलो प्रूव करते हैं. F of x, what is f of x? That we know, 1 plus x and 1 minus x. हाँ, तो इसको मैं एक्सपांड करता हूं. I want to remove the summation sign, so I'll take n equal to 1. If I take n equal to 1, see what happens. 2 divided by pi square, right? N equal to 1, so minus 1 raised to 1, minus 1, minus minus plus 1. So the square bracket become 2 cos of n equal to 1, so cos of pi x plus n equal to 2 लेता हूं मैं अभी. ठीक है. So if I take n equal to 2, see what happens with the square bracket. ये bracket क्या होता है हमें देखना है. n equal to 2, so minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 0. n equal to 3. I am expanding the summation sign. So 2 divided by n square, 3 square, pi square. Okay, then in bracket n equal to 3, so minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1, minus minus plus 1, so 2 cos of 3 pi x. Okay, then n equal to 4 put करते हैं. So see what happens with the square bracket. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, that will become 0. Then n equal to 5. So 2 divided by 5 square pi square. Okay. Then this square bracket is 2. Then cos of 5 pi x. And now so on. Next term will be 0. Next to next term will be 2 divided by 7 square pi square, like this. Getting everyone? That is f of x equal to, let me simplify it. Cos of pi x. And so on. यहां तक लिखा, यहां तक समझा आपने? Now understand remaining part. See what we want to deduce. 1 upon 1 square, 1 upon 3 square. यहाँ पे है 1 upon 1 square. यहाँ पे है 1 upon 3 square, है ना? यहाँ पे 1 upon 5 square. Clear ना? तो ये हमें चाहिए. So what should be the value of x? X equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. So f of 0, that we don't know, we'll find it. Cos of 0, 1. So I'm not writing it. Cos of 0, 1. So I'm not writing it. Cos of 0, 1. Therefore I'm not writing it. This is the value of function. So tell me what will be f of 0. 0 involved in both the interval. Equal to 0 is there. Na? So you take any interval, no problem. In above interval 1 plus 0. In 1 plus 0. So what is it? 1, 1. So it does not mean that f of 0 is 1 plus 1, 2. Huh? Implication is f of 0 is 1. F of 0 is 1. Okay, so I'll substitute it here. F of 0, 1 put kiya, half as it is. What we can take common from remaining terms? 4 by pi square. What is remaining? 1 upon 1 square, 1 upon 3 square, 1 upon 5 square, and so on. And that is what we have to find right now. One minus half. Half. Take 4 by pi square to other side. We got the required result. Understood? So this is one of the application of Fourier series. Fourier series can be used to find in sum of few of the infinite series, not all the infinite series, few of the infinite series. Their sum can be obtained in this way. Hope this is clear. Next. Find. ये हो गया. Any doubt है? कुछ doubt है इसमें?
No, sir.
Okay, let me continue. Obtain Fourier series representation. Obtain Fourier series representation of the function obtain Fourier series. Roll number 1, civil, mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Roll number 55, mute yourself. Roll number 45, mute yourself. Roll number 11. अरे म्यूट करो आप खुद को म्यूट करो. 13, 10, mute yourself. Right. Obtain Fourier series of deduce that चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. Solution. Given right now, midpoint of interval is x equal to 0. Then write down pi constant number na, constant function na, so even x square even function, even minus even function. Conclusion, f of x is an even function. Therefore, Fourier series expansion of f of x is find a naught, do it yourself. Right, a naught equal to 2 by pi, isn't it? 0 to pi. Integrate. Check your answer. Is it 4 by 3 pi square? Then write n. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
F of x cos of nx. Use chain rule of integration by parts. So integration is like this. U as it is. Integration of V. Derivative of U. Integration of V. Derivative of minus 2x. Integration once again. Next term is 0. Simplify. Substitute the limits. Upper limit pi. 0 pi square minus pi square. Lower limit 0, sine of 0, 0. X equal to 0, 0. Therefore, next term is 0, sine of 0, 0. Use the known formulas. Pi will cancel. Minus sign may be written as minus 1 raised to n. Okay, so 4 minus 1 raised to n plus 1. Four minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square. That's fast at all these things. Correct. Substituting values in equation number 1. A naught. What the n of it? 4 by 3 pi square. Okay, so simplification is this is the answer. Return.
Sir, 1 minute.
हाँ, okay. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write on next page. Deduction. Right? Few results have to be deduced, na? Write the Fourier series expansion f of x equal to 4 2 pi square plus n equal to 1. Now we want to expand the summation sign. So n equal to 1. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. So 4 divided by n square. N equal to 2. So 4. Now n equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. Okay. So minus sign. 4 divided by. Acha, cos is remaining, na? Cos of nx. Now we'll do it. F of x is known to us, pi square minus x square. 2 pi square divided by 3 plus n equal to 1. So 4, something is remaining. This is not 3, n square. Just 1 minute, let me see it. Four divided by n is 1 square. N equal to 2. 4, this will become minus sign. 2 square cos of 2x. Next, 4 divided by 3 square. Okay, so it is like this. Got it? After simplification, till we are not done anything. Now write down. Substitute x equal to 0. Cos 0 1. Cos 0 1. Okay. First result. Then right. Substitute x equal to pi and find the next result. Use see whether it is possible to get answer if you substitute x equal to pi, or see whether we have to substitute x equal to pi by 2. Please do that yourself, homework. Next add-on, examples for homework, few examples for homework. Let me change the page. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Add-on examples for homework. Find Fourier series expansion of x cube